Okay, so Carl did the first one.
First one.
See, he's talking right there, my little buddy. You're my little buddy, aren't you?
You're my little buddy, aren't you?
Oh, look at that, it's so cute.
Oh, that is so cute.
Okay, seriously, I think we've had enough.
Seriously?
Bye, Carl.
Bye, Carl. Bye-bye.
Okay, anyway, back to the show. So, the second video I'm going to show you is called Kitty Dreaming of a Comb. Now, personally, I'm not sure what the cat's dreaming of, but there's this cat. And it's sleeping, and it's like brushing his little ear while he's sleeping. And I'm not really sure what the cat's dreaming of, but I thought it was cute. So this was put up October 9th of this year, and it got 83,000 views, roughly. And yeah, here it is. Okay, so the third and final video I'm going to show you, it didn't get very many views, but I thought it was kind of funny. It's called dog climbing. So what this dog does, I guess its owner has put a video camera up. It's in its cage. The dog actually figures out a way how to escape from its caged area. It's like a mastermind dog or something. And the dog doesn't even look that old. It's like a little puppy. Anyway, so it was put up October 12th this year, and it got 16,000 views, or just a few more than that, but generally it got 16,000 views. So I thought I'd show you, so here it is. And that is all I have for you today, so I guess I'll see you next week. And I know, it's so shocking. The video was up on time, I know. Okay, well anyway, I'll see you guys next Tuesday. I'm hoping Tingle Town will be out tomorrow. Tomorrow's a Wednesday, by the way, if you haven't already figured that out. Anyway, I'm gonna go. I'm sure Carl would like to say bye. Say bye, Carl.
Say bye, Carl.
No, bye.
Bye.
Bye, everyone.
Bye, everyone.
See you next week.
Sweet.
You didn't finish the sentence, you dummy.
Sentence, you dummy.
Bye, everyone.
Bye, everyone.
See you next week. See ya next week.
See ya next
Week. See you next week.
See you next week.
Finally, he said bye.
Bye, you said bye.
Okay, well, I'm gonna go. Later, everyone. Whoop.
Goodbye, kitty. Goodbye, kitty. Whoa, no, whoa. Whoa, no, whoa. Goodbye, kitty. Goodbye, kitty. Whoa, no, whoa.